Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Sunday, June 25th of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. My face still hurts a little bit. Oh, I forgot to take my meds. Maybe I'll do that at a break. The lighting is off today because it is hot in my room. And I just spilled water on myself. I'm off to a great start. Yeah. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into stuff. Stonkfish was first today. Hello. Meat Sauce, good to see you again. Chair, who says frog. Frogs are my favorite animal. Chair got a GameCube. Cool. JJMC is also here. Hello. Good to see you again. Marsh is also here. I Satisfied. Hello. Good to see you again. A lot of bongos in chat today. People have already said hi to. Topographies is here with the AOEC sip. Binary Sensei, hello. Welcome to the stream. Can you talk yet, or are your teeth still messed up? They're still messed up. My face still hurts. I'm gonna go grab pills real quick. I'll be right back. I will let you look at this screen for a bit though. I'll see you in a sec. The chair stream you deserve. Evelyn's Meow. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Don't mind me just popping the pills. Meat Sauce has not an algorithmic feed. Yeah, I don't. I used to watch the feed, the following feed on GitHub, but I don't anymore. It's not usable. Anyway, so some stuff since last time. Well, last time we did the silent stream, which was interesting. I need to figure out how to fix this. I'm pretty sure it's setup tools broken again, or talks, or who fucking knows. We'll play with that. Drunk Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 28 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. I assume that means your talk has happened, went well, you're ready for it, something like that? Yeah, I know, ignore this. In fact, just fucking ad block it. Except it probably doesn't have a thing that I can do. Yeah, we can just do this. Mr. Six says, how far into your career did you make the switch to a split keyboard? I'm gonna be honest, I don't really use a split keyboard except when I stream. I guess when I fuck around on this computer. So, but I received this keyboard from Kinesis as a sponsored thing. About 3 years ago? 2020? Something like that? But I don't know. I don't think it makes me a better programmer. I think the only thing about it that is nice is it is ergonomic, and so it forces me to have a better posture because my posture is fucking terrible. But I've never really had, you know, carpal tunnel issues. And I feel like if anyone was gonna get carpal tunnel, it'd be me. Because I spend too much time on a fucking computer. But yeah. But yeah. Yeah. Dev Random says that's probably one of the things you'll forget you set up. Which thing? Oh. Also just rehearse to write and rehearse a presentation. Yeah. That'll be a fun one. Okay. So we could start with open source drama. You want some drama, chat? I know everyone loves their fucking drama. Today we're going to the CPython repo. Wait, some undrama. Yo. Let's go. More pre-commit hooks in Python? This is actually pretty cool. Anyway. But the drama. The drama. You ready for the drama? It's drama time. Nagaleric, how you doing? Good to see you again. This one. Haha. So, I already commented about this on Twitter when it first happened. There was a proposal by Raymond to add what I think is a terrible thing to Python, which makes Python work like JavaScript, where you get dotted names for dictionary access, unless the dotted name happens to collide with one of the dictionary methods, or a bunch of other weird little edge cases. And Raymond opened this issue on August 20th of 2022, then made a PR for it on the same day. Nobody reviewed it, and then merged it 3 days later. The 20th was a Saturday. So, fucking nobody reviewed any of this. It just got shoved through, which is, in some ways, the standard operating procedure of CPython, but you know, such as life. And then at some point, I tweeted about it, and I was like, "This is stupid. This shouldn't be in Python. This may be convenient, but it's lazy. It's not convenient, and it's fucky and weird." And then sometime after, I know Jel follows me on Twitter, but I think their response is independent. But they're basically like, we should not have this in 3.12. Did not get discussion. There are weird edge cases. Blah blah blah, etc. etc. A bunch of thumbs up on this, including myself. And then a bunch of other people were like, yeah, we should not do this. Let's revert it. And blah, 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 a bunch of discussion, Raymond whining, more discussion, more Raymond whining, more whining, etc., etc. And at some point, Lucas made the revert PR. Where is that? Made a revert PR, and then within like hours, lots of people were like, yes, let's revert this. So anyway, that's the updates about adderdict. This has been the case in data frames. Yeah, I don't think it's a good thing in data frames. It's added in data frames because, to be frank, most data scientists don't know and don't care about the difference between attribute and key access. They don't see dictionaries as separate types. But anyway, it's not that scientists are dumb. It's just that they have different goals in mind, and they're not necessarily there to write the most pure code. They're just trying to get shit done. Which is fine. There's no problem with that. Data scientists, they're the same picture. Yeah, exactly, Pandoxer. 93829821. Welcome to the stream. Hello. But anyway, that's the drama. That's the adderdict drama. I hope it gets reverted. I'm sitting here subscribed to the issue, watching the popcorn. But anyway, there's the drama. Did I do any open source since last time? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I did a little bit of things. These few things. So I was trying to add more typing to Sentry at work, which honestly I could probably do these as streams. The problem is I don't often put on clothes to do work for work, but I guess I can put on clothes for you guys. Red Sky 1, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. It's good to see you again. Yeah, so I added a small little PR to TypeShed to add another attribute here. Cool thing, I don't know if you remember this, I did a collaboration stream with Where Is X a very, very long time ago. Where we added crystal support. Oops, I needed that tab. We added crystal support to Babby. But in order to do so, we had to fork the official VS Code grammar, and we made a bunch of fixes here on stream. But that finally got merged, and so now I can unfork the crystal grammar, and so now Babby is using the upstream grammar, which is pretty cool. 93829821, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Marsha says, did what's her name add crystal on stream that time? Yes. Yep. Where's X? Yeah. That's who it was. That's who it was. All that long time ago. What's upstream? Some like VS Code crystal something. Crystal Lang Tools is the GitHub org, which I think is officially, I guess unofficially. Yeah, I don't think this is affiliated in any way, but they maintain the VS Code stuff. Anyway, so that's unforked. We're now using them. I also upgraded all the grammars because they were somewhat out of date. So, updated a bunch. I don't really know if that changed anything useful. This one was submitted by one of the typing people. They adjusted the symbols for typing extensions because some of them got backported in weird ways, and so these versions were no longer valid. So I regened that in PyUpgrade, and that's open source since last time. I did want to talk through the Pokemon stuff because I've learned a few things about computer vision since last time, and I wanted to show some of them off. The first is there are two things that that were difficult in this. The first we're about to see right here, which is detecting where the move is on the screen. So you see how there's an arrow that goes up and down. I was previously using the outline around the move to do that, and that was really easy, but it was inaccurate. Sometimes the background would change, or sometimes the video would compress in a different way, and it wouldn't detect it properly that way. Instead, I had to switch to detecting the arrow. And the way I did that is with what's called template matching, which I kind of knew about. I had just never used before. Grips, sword shields, templates, move arrow. And so basically the way that it works is I load up this image, I tell CV2 to ignore the red, and then I ask it where it lives on the image. And so if we take like, oh, I don't know if I have a screenshot of this. I don't know that I do. Probably don't. Shit. Yeah, I deleted all my screenshots. But you'll just have to trust me. Basically what it does is it builds a map of the whole screen and tries to figure out where the pixels match. And there should be a white pixel where it matches exactly. And so that allows me to locate this image on the screen. And so then I locate this image, and then I can figure out which move I have selected so that I can go up to the top move and then figure out how the battle works. The way the AI works for my battling here is really, really primitive. Basically, it just scrolls through each of the moves and sees which one has PP, has the biggest power, and has the best effectiveness, and then it picks that move. It's not very good. There are some moves that it just picks that don't make any sense. So like here, it'll probably... Oh, and it knows how to Dynamax. So 140, 110, and no effect. So it should pick the first move here. And of course it picked the second move. Why did it pick the second move? Oh, it picked the second move because the text engine sucks. Wait, no, it should have picked the first move. Weird. Anyway, it's not perfect. There's minor bugs with it, but it's fine. Even if it's not perfect, then the partners carry it. So that's how that part works. That was something that I learned with computer vision, is template matching. The code for that is, let me show you the code for that. Script, swoosh, DA, arrow, mask. So yeah, so I crop the screen down to just the rectangle by the moves. I grab the arrow, and, oh wait, that's the wrong screen, so you can't see it. Swish, DA, arrow, mask. So this is me just loading that image. and making the mask out of the template. Okay, so we load the arrow mask, call match template, and it'll have it'll spit out a new image with min and max values. Like the max value be where it matches perfectly, and min value where it matches not at all. Then we find the position that it matched at, and then do a little math, and that'll figure out what move we're at. So that was the first thing that I learned. PB, yeah, Kailando, hello, how you doing? Meatsaw says, when you out for a class, what about in single file modules? I rarely use classes unless I need them, and often, well, I will use classes for just like plain old data, but I don't really do, I try and avoid object-oriented programming. Copybara Sectario, welcome to the stream, hello. A lot of placeholders, yeah, so this is min val, min position, max val, max position, and so I don't care about any of these, and I don't care about the X. I only care about getting the Y out. So yeah, there's a lot of discarded unpackings here. Okay, so then the other thing that I did, and this is much trickier. Let's see. We'll probably wait. We're close to beating this Pokemon. I'll show you what happens here. But I guess we can talk about it first. Basically on the map. Oh, I should have. Yeah. Should have examples here. Okay, so on the map. I have to decide which Pokemon to battle, and you'll see here there's an arrow that points here, and there's various types. As a human playing this game, I can see the silhouettes here, and I can kind of know what Pokemon it's going to be. Like, this is, I think, Jinx. This is the big fairy psychic Pokemon from Sword and Shield. This is the Steel Gear Pokemon. Mr. Singh! Thank you for the resub at 20 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. But yeah, the first version of my code just always picked the left path, which isn't really great because I'm trying to get a specific subset of Pokemon Shiny. In fact, I am trying to get these Pokemon Shiny. Raichu, Persian A, Marowak A, Hitmonchan, Slowking, Hitmontop, Combuskin, Blaziken, Swampert, Girder, and Alcremie. Those are the Pokemon I'm trying to get Shiny. And so I can narrow down a lot of them based on their types. Like for instance, I don't need any shiny Pokemon that are Steel type. So I can ignore Steel type entirely. But my older algorithm would just pick the left path, which isn't great. So what the new algorithm does is it tries to figure out which type it's pointing at. And so either it's pointing at Steel type here, or it's pointing at Water type here. Now Water type, you'll notice that I need at least one Pokemon Water. Or two? Yeah, 2 Pokemon Water. So Slowking and Swampert are both Water type, and so it should prefer Water type over Steel type. Was the goal of this little bit here. And so I had to do a few things to make this happen. Rips, swish, da. So what I do for this is I grab the frame, I convert it into grayscale, and then I pick out just the white pixels. So you'll see here, the white pixels will be like the type icon, all of this shit over here, the names here, and this arrow. And if we look at what that ends up doing, this is just the white pixels. You can see we've eliminated most of the junk on the screen. And these look kind of funny and fuzzy. Oops. Once I've eliminated the white pixels, or selected out the white pixels, then I want to blot out all the stuff that I don't care about on the screen. So for instance, like I don't care about the move timer, I don't care about the Pokemon over here, I don't care about this text at the bottom. I also don't care about this other type that was from a previous round. So if we look here, you can see there's a previous round type down here. We don't care about that one. And so once I have blotted all those out, I'm left with just this chunk here, which should just be the types in the arrow. Once I do that, I do what's called dilating and eroding, which basically takes like messy blobs and turns them into more blobby blobs. So you can see here, these are like messy blobs, and after I dilate, they become more of a rectangle. Some of them like glitch out a little bit like this one, but the overall is that they become rectangle shapes or square shapes. From that, I can figure out the contours on the image. A contour is basically like a shape and with an outline around it. So like this is a contour. It's like a hexagon contour. This is a contour that happens to have, fucking sides that make it look like an arrow. These are rectangular contours, as are these over here too. Once I can find the contours, I can figure out which ones are approximately the shape that I want. So I know if I find a big squarish contour, that's the arrow. If I find a small squarish contour, I can ignore it. And if I find rectangular contours, those are probably the type names. And so I use that to then highlight those positions. And so you can see it exactly finds the text for each of the types. So steel, water, psychic, ice. And it finds the arrow. So it knows where the arrow is. Once I found the arrow, I can figure out which quadrant of the screen it's in. So this is in quadrant 0, 1, 2, 3. In this case, I could only navigate to quadrants 0 and 1. And from that quadrant, I can figure out what text this is and figure out whether it's a type that I want to visit or not. So it knows here I'm in quadrant 0, it's steel type, and I don't give a shit about steel type because I don't have any Pokemon I'm looking for steel type. And so then I can press right one time, look at water, and say, oh, I'm looking at the water type. I know that I have 2 Pokemon that could be water. I'm going to try and navigate to this one. And it flips through all those until it finds, until it has explored all of them and ran into the same one again, and then it picks the best one and navigates to that one. And so that's kind of the cool little computer vision-y thing. Actually, Tina and I worked on this, so I didn't do this all myself. Tina helped bounce some ideas off and eventually come to this conclusion. So we worked on it together, which is kind of cute. But that's that. That's some of the stuff that I worked on offline. I'm pretty proud of this. I think this is like some of the cooler stuff that I've done with this. Oh, I guess so. I said template matching. I've done template matching before because wait, did I do template matching or did I do just subtraction? I must have just done subtraction because we did matching for the types for rating. How did that work? Get type images. Oh, we just did equality. We just tried to figure out which ones are the most equal. Cool. Anyway, slightly different. Agent Chronicles, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. It says gonna wait for my ADHD meds so I can barely think right now. Gonna make food. Sounds good. Sounds good. Kane and Jarrus, hello, hello. Silly Laird, good to see you again. I'm doing all right, Kane and Jarrus. My mouth still hurts a little bit, so I'm not my full emotive self today. But I'm at least talking and feeling kind of okay about that. Ginger says, I tried to load up my VM for Ubuntu 2004. It's a bit laggy at times compared to my dual booted Ubuntu OS. I might have to upgrade from 8 gigs to 16 RAM. 16 gigs of RAM for my PC. 8 gigs is barely scraping by in 2023. But yeah. Panoxer says, despite its very C-ish API, OpenCV is amazing. I find that's a little clunky, but sometimes it's good. Are you wearing clothes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just worried. I'm just worried. Are you wearing clothes more than a blanket?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, 2 blankets. Okay, yeah. Fair. Ooh, nervous. Okay. Anyway, all good. Barely is the answer. God damn. Okay, but anyway, that's been the Pokemon thing. Tina and I worked a bunch on that, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. It's already found 2 shiny Pokemon. Jamie Pratt, thank you for the resub in 38 months. I'm naked under this blanket. Yeah. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. What? Are you leaving? Are you leaving me forever? Bye forever? Where's my laugh track gonna go? Oh, you're so mean! You're so mean! Have fun. Be safe. Sargon, hello, hello. How you doing? Anthony is naked under his clothes. It's true. Sure. You know, wow, it's very hefty. I thought it was gonna be squishy. Tina made a what is it called? Needle felt croissant. It's French. French detected.
French in your house.
French detected. Here you go. Oh wait, can I throw it? Here you go. You can place the French then. It's humid as balls today. Yeah, and my air conditioner is like not really working for some reason. Can you go see if the thing flipped downstairs? It's in the wiring cabinet. Yeah. Dexter Jake! Hello. It's going alright. It's going alright. The teeth command I think is still there. Yeah. So it's still true, but I'm fighting through it. I'm feeling a little bit better. Oh, speaking of my little algorithm, Hitmonchan is one of the Pokemon I'm trying to get shiny, so the pathing is working, question mark. But anyway, that's that. That'll be chugging away. The plan for today is to do two things, at least. Maybe more. The first one is that Dead Snakes Nightly is broken. What else is fucking new? I think it's an easy fix though. I want to say I peeked out. Yeah, it's just min depth stuff again. So we will start with that. Dead Snake's broken? That's never happened. Yeah. For some reason, it was never this bad before. Something about I think the faster CPython project is what's been breaking it a lot recently, because they've been trying to like micro optimize various modules, and so a lot of shit has been breaking there. But it's fine. What's up? Okay. Cool. Strange Sorcerer, thank you for the resub at 14 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And Mr. Juan Anderson has subscribed with Ryan. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the subscription. I really appreciate it. I hope you both are doing well. And uh-oh, we've triggered the hype train. Oops. Oramus is also here. Hello, hello. Nitsa says, sometimes it's hard to tell the shiny version apart. How does your code deal with that? Ah, yes. So my code doesn't actually look at the sprites at all. And I have deleted my screenshots. So let's see if I can find shiny summary Sword Shield Pokemon. I'm gonna do this off screen because I know there's lots of smutty smut on for Pokemon. Oh, I could have just gone to 3B. Okay, so this is the shiny Beware. And the cool thing is its summary has a little star icon here. And so my code basically grabs a little rectangle around this point here and checks for the number of reds. And switch scripts swish DA is shiny. So it basically grabs a little crop rectangle for where the shiny icon can appear, converts it to HSV, and then finds things that are in this reddish range. And then if there's a non-zero number of red pixels, it knows that it's shiny. So far I've gotten 2 shinies from this, and there were 249 red pixels when they were shiny. So that's how it detects it. But it's pretty clever. It's pretty clever. It tries a bunch of sneaky things to do this. iSatisfied has resubbed at 35 months. Thank you for the resub. Is it bugged? I swear I shared this earlier. Twitch bugged? Ooh, could that possibly be a thing? Yeah, Twitch is buggy. But yeah, that's how that shiny detection works. This is similar to the shiny detection I used for the egg hatching script. Yeah. But in that one, the thing is in a different spot. But 35 months is almost like a decade, yeah. Twitch is perfect and never has bugs. It's true. No bugs on this platform. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, what is the actual error message here? MHZG, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm gonna view the raw logs because it's gonna be a little bit easier to see what's going on here. I lied. I lied. Opcode meet data used in opcode. I feel like this print is printing a tuple when it doesn't need to be printing a tuple. Okay, so how does that work? I think the way this works is I need to add it to a reamd. Ever minimal reamd. Yeah. I need to add opcode meet data here. Wait, there's opcode and opcode meet data? Weird. Geekster says, are you setting up other functions to eventually use the params? I don't know what you're asking. Oh, Binary Sensei, if you do FAQ setup, that'll get you. I don't know what you're asking. I don't know what you're asking, Gixer. Oh, in the last file you got open, you're incrementing some non-local thing in a function that had unused parameters. Yeah, so the parameters there are to satisfy an interface. Basically, I have made an engine for building these game playing programs. The engine is very simple. It takes in a set of states. States are a map from strings to a triplet of matchers, actions, and then new state. And basically what it does is it gets an initial state. Huh. I didn't know that that was always passed there. I thought it defaulted to initial. Oh, I guess I'm always passing initial equals initial. Anyway, so it has a state name. It grabs a frame in the video. It goes through all of the matchers inside the particular state that it's in. If the matcher is successful, then it performs the action. And so matchers always take the current frame. Actions always take the video input and the serial to be able to read additional things and respond to them. And then if it transitions to a new state, it prints that, assigns it, and resets the timeout. And this is basically the entire state machine. That's it. Very, very simple code. And then from that, I can build more complicated state transitions. So for instance, if we look at, this is the one for Dynamax Adventures. So if we scroll way up here to the initial, somewhere up here. Yeah. So it starts at the initial. It basically checks whether the bottom left pixel is the right color. It goes to this next state. This is tax due, tries to check whether I need to pay a tax, or if I don't need to pay a tax, or if I want to start. So you can basically build an entire program of execution based on this simple data structure of state names mapped to checkers, actions, and new state. And basically build stuff out like that. But yeah, that's how it works. So yeah, the sir and vid are often unused. Are you leaving for real this time? Oh. Oh. Have you fixed it? It's a permanent hold? Okay. Thank you. But yeah, so vid and ser are often unused in these functions because if it doesn't need to read the video, then it'll just set it to type it as object. Yeah, like here we don't use the video at all. We just perform some. Oh, we do use the video. Oh. I am surprised that the type checker is not mad about this. Tom and Pixels, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, I know why it's not mad about this. It's because it doesn't know this is a type. It doesn't know about CV2's types, so it's okay to pass object to any. I mean, usually that would be a type error. But yeah, I should have type annotated this. Doesn't fucking matter though, so bother. But yeah, that's how that works. It's me, Leaks. Can you move the mic? It's blocking our view. Yeah, I've already given you 2 free buttons today because it's hot in here. So yeah, you're fine. But how you doing? It's me, League. Sally Laird says, "How am I doing? I'm doing all right. My teeth hurt a little bit, but we're gonna fight through it today." Okay. What was I doing? I was checking on lib opcode metadata. Opcode.py. What were you before? An extension module. Okay, it still exists, so that's cool. It says how much for all of the buttons? You'll just have to gift some subs and find out. Acid Zor, hello. How do you detect if a Pokemon is shiny? Ooh, we just went over this. Let's see if I can reopen the tab. Yeah, I can. The way that I detect that it's shiny is this is the summary screen, and it'll have a little red shiny icon here, and so I grab a rectangle and try and find red pixels in there. That's how that works for this one in particular. For some of the other ones, like if you look through this playlist, there's some other ones where I talk about how it works. I'll probably make a video on this just because I think it's cool. But I use different methods for different encounter types. Like in Sword and Shield random encounters, I look for the delay between 2 menu icons showing up. What is even in this file? Oh boy. Okay, so we will add opcode. Kevin! WAAAAA. Thank you for the resub at tier 3 for 35 months. You're almost to that 3-year mark. It's good to see you again, Kevin. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. As Zor says, do you play the game at all? I had 999 hours on this game before I started scripting it. So yes, I have played way too much. Way too much. Yeah. Casually doxing Kevin? I mean, how was I doxing? What? I feel like I did not dox Kevin. But yeah. Kevin says, I'm doing great. Life has been keeping me busy, so I've missed so many streams. You and me both. I feel like I've not been streaming as much as I want to, but also I don't know why there's an X here, but I'm going to leave it because I don't know what it means. But I think this is enough to fix this. I think I need to get rid of, let's see, tab size 8. Yay! Do they all line up now? Hooray! Add opcode metadata as minimal module. Armis says, I've been missing most of my streams recently because I've been busy with my partner. Yeah, same. Lamau. Yeah. Ubuntu Fuggle. Ubuntu Jimmy. Alright, we can do a little gamble. Prediction. Will this fix the dead snake's nightly builds? Question mark. Yes, no. I'll give you a minute for the gamble. I will kick it off because it takes forever, so. No. I hate that there's 2 rerun buttons and I gotta go up to here. Actually, we want to rerun all. Pog gambling, indeed. Mr. Juan Anderson says, I tell my wife I can't hang out because Anthony is live. It's funny. That's the Kevin approach too. You're all in on no league? Oh boy. I don't know. I'm pretty confident in this fix. But Kevin says, I've had a lot of work, stuff with kids and my partner, and family overall. It feels like I've been away for months now. Yeah? Yeah. I mean, I've been not as consistent the last couple of months also, so that's the way things go. Is where it says there's an easy way to gamble all of your money. Well, you can't actually gamble real money, so. Oscar Allen, hello. His name is Anthony and he writes code. It's true. Ormus says, I don't think my partner would let me get away with that. Yeah, that's probably the healthier response to that. Okay, hopefully Dead Snakes is fixed, and now we can work on pyflakes. Oh, and I can close these because I don't need them anymore. Oh, it is sweaty in here. I'm gonna go double check the air conditioner. I will be right back. I'm pretty sure Tina did it right, but at the same time, I'm gonna try and figure out how to turn it on permanent hold so that the schedule doesn't go all fucky again. So I will see you in a sec. I will be right back. Marsma, thank you for the resub at 31 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Kevin says, how's life? How's life with your partner? I missed so much. It's going well. Have I shown you pictures? Have I shown you pictures? I don't know if I've shown you pictures. We can show some pictures. Sure. So, well, these are way back. We went to New York together. Oh, that's the MySpace pictures. Yeah, I can't show you. we went to New York together. Where's the like less derpy one? Here we go. We went to New York together, and we've been been hanging out a lot. Here's the goofy one. I'll give you goofy one too. We'll get nice one and goofy one. Here's nice cute one and as many chins as possible one. But yeah, that has been I've lost track of time. I don't even know. It's almost July. It's been like 4, 5 months. Oh, also I was apparently supposed to show you this absolutely fucking yoked bear statue. Look at how strong this bear is. Someone had the things for bears, I guess. But anyway. Yeah. That's been thing. That one for your vacation? Ah, okay, cool. Goofy one is 10 out of 10. How long have I been with Cyan? Yeah, I don't know the answer. I've lost track of time. Oh, I missed Duarte Pierce. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Definitely said that wrong. The answer says I tried a thread pool executor to create many matplotlib plots in parallel. Let me tell you, it is not thread safe at all. Oh yeah, there's no way. There's no way. Technologic, hello. Recurring ticks with 0.001 steps for data had a range from 0 to 1200 and ran out of memory. Yeah. Yep. Sounds about right. That makes sense. Okay. Pyflakes time. So I seem to remember that I started working on this, but let's see, what is this patch? Nope, that is from something else. Who are you? Don't know what you are. They're not important. Right, so let me see what the last thing was on. Oh, I just did test failures. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, Silly Laird, you got your buttons there. Kevin! Holy shit, you've rounded off to 400. God damn. Thank you for the 11 gift subs, Kevin. Hey, you know what? Fuck it. It's hot in here. Here, you just have the rest of the buttons. There you go. It's hot. I don't know why the air conditioning isn't really working. Thank you for the 11 gift subs, Kevin. Welcome to Subdom. Mantak, Vicious Est, Skyward Dev, Knackle Eric, Woozer, The Endless River, Tiny Small 69, The Rain Man, Cold Blue Mist, Nick S&M, and JJMC. Welcome to Subdom. And thank you for your gift subs, Kevin. Yeah, there's the Kevin command. The Endless River's got the right one. Could not resist 400. Yeah. Exactly right. Kanan Jarrett says easy dodge. Nice. Mustack, hello. I'm doing well. Only need 20 more. I think you won't be speaking because of the tooth extraction. Yeah, that's why I'm talking kind of weird. Like, I'm very much lisping more, and I am not smiling as much as I usually do. It's because my face hurts. Yeah, so it's true. It's true. But yeah. So there are two things that got introduced in 3.12 that are problematic as part of PEP 695. I think I'm gonna try and do one of them first, which is this. This should be much easier to do than the other one. Although they're actually kind of similar. We will see. We'll see what happens there. Yeah, sure takes the rest. By the way, what are we working on? The bot. The bot's doing its good job again. Yeah, so I think we'll start with this example and then try and make this work. Oh, yeah, more subs. Yeah. Acidzor says, can I send you a paste bin of my spaghetti code and tell me what you think of it? You can. However, there's a channel point redeem that is for code review. So you gotta spend some points for that. The machinist says, what color is your Bugatti? I don't have a Bugatti, but I do have a nice car. Let's see. I will show you my car real quickly. Look, it's my car. It's not a Bugatti, it's a Corvette. So it's this color. What color would your Bugatti be then? I don't know that I would want a Bugatti. Although maybe this one's kind of cool. What is the like 3.3 million. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna spend 3.3 million on a car. It's a bit much. But what color would your Bugatti be? I don't think I would get a Bugatti. I think I would rather have 10 different cars. I could get 10 300k cars instead of one. Well, I could get 11 of them instead of one Bugatti. Oh, shit. Kevin, are you redeeming 4 Acid Zor? Okay. Alright, send your paste bin, Acid Zor. No, Dev Random says I can manage 3k. What does that get me? I'd rather drive a Pinto than spend 3 mil on a Bugatti. Pinto. Oh. It's funny. Alright, here's our paste bin. Let me make sure that it's not problematic. What we got? Copy. Alright, here's our code. Let's not put it here. Ah! Okay. So the first thing I notice is that we don't type annotations. What the fuck is Inquirer? Never heard of this, but it appears to be some sort of prompter. Okay. So this seems like work stuff. os.exit 0. Okay, so first off, I would do this instead. Just to make this easier to test. But also you don't need to do anything since it's already at the end. But I would also not use os.system. Because if somebody put double quotes in here, you'd have sad time. This one's pretty easy to convert to something that's safe. And then you don't have to worry about quoting. You just do that directly. This should be an F string. This should be an F string also. I would precompile your regex if you're gonna use it more than once. Also, it seems a little error prone. I guess this is fine. I can't imagine this gives you a good error message though. I don't like to put white space at the beginning of here. I don't know. Other than that, it seems simple, fairly straightforward, not that complicated, not that problematic, but a few small things that I would fix. I don't know. What do you think? Seems fine. Seems not that terrible. FTW Richmond, hello, how you doing? The answer says, haven't done a code review in a while and didn't run any nice stuff recently. Mostly boring boilerplate that I've written 100 times, yeah. FTW Richmond says, Pog, welcome. I like spaghetti. This isn't even spaghetti. This is just, seems straightforward, procedural, easy. Andrew Lane X is also here, hello. Mustack says, why don't you work on Babby anymore? I do sometimes. Def Can't Game says, I've been MIA from here/Twitch, but hope all is well. Yeah, it's going well. I work on Babby occasionally. The thing is, like, it mostly does what I want it to do. There's like one thing that's been annoying me recently because I keep accidentally opening giant JSON files and then it being real angy. Because the highlighter just kind of The highlighter does not do well with very long lines. So I probably want to make it just not try and highlight if there are very long lines. But yeah, Binary Sensei says, what window manager are you using? That little clip talks about my window manager. Maybe he's clicked on echo instead of print? Maybe. But I don't know. I feel like they're about the same. Kevin says, not the spaghetti I was hoping for. It looked decent. Yeah. It's not bad. Will M, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Too small for spaghetti? Is that the entire thing? If so, not worth the redeem. Yeah, I feel like you got your points wasted there, Kevin. How would he work on Babyfit's feature collate? Code's never done. I'd alphabetize the imports. Yeah, you could oops. Why is there a Turkish language model being imported? But yeah, reorganize your imports. Would be nice. Rewrite it in Rust? Yeah, I don't know that that's gonna happen. Kinda new to programming, I think all my code is spaghetti. No, it seems fine to me. Seems no problem. Mustache says, yesterday I was watching an old stream where you highlighted the same issue. Yeah. It's been there since the highlighter existed. VS Code, I think, has the same problem, but quits early or something. Yeah, they're like, WTF, too much, no highlight, please. Yeah, that's probably what Babby would do also. Lazy highlighting seems really tricky. I'd have to make the whole thing async. Should be a 10k for small things? Maybe. Adrian X says, when can I redeem my 24-hour stream? I have not turned it back on. I still owe a 12-hour stream, and I just haven't done that. To reorder the Turkish imports, well, is pip. RM-TK to remove the Turkish language pack? RM-FR to remove the French one? Yeah. I use Sublime for large files? Yeah. And it's not the file size that's the problem, it's the line length that's the problem. Gotta go? Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. Came to say hi? Yeah, no, that's great. I always appreciate when you stop by, even if it's just to say hi. Flex your VIP badge and go off into the ether. Okay, anyway. pyflakes stuff. Let's start with this example. pyflakes. Fast. I guess this is type annotations. Skip if version info is less than 3.12. New in Python 3.12. Best type statements. So unit test, discover pyflakes. We should have a failing test. Hooray! Hooray! The stack says, can you explain the script? Yes. It says how to use it. It basically uses iNotify-wait to run a thing. When a file name changes. It's basically a little wrapper around iNotify to make it slightly nicer to use, but I don't actually remember if it's useful or not. Because I want to say that there's a way to use iNotify that I just didn't know about, so I wrote the script and then I didn't need it, but I use the script anyway because it's kind of convenient. I said line length. I said line length. I didn't say the band phrase. Grandpa's iPad. Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. A big Pokeball? Oh, who did it try and catch? Not Not Tapu Fini. Wait, who did it try and catch? Wait, what? Oh, Gigantamax. Oh, okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. I was like, I didn't know we were catching something. Preox, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, so there's also another thing that I need to turn on here as well, which is in here. Pyflakes error unknown equals 1. We need this. This should also crash. Yeah, unknown type alias. So, what do I need to do here? Oh god. Type alias. So we can look at this. Oh. I'm going to install. Oh. Okay. I'm going to install ASD Pretty so we can debug this. Are Pokeballs bigger on the inside? Yeah, it's like Doctor Who. Kevin says, have you invested in COC grippers? Give me your question. I do have some grippers. I have, in lubs, I have 50, 100, 150, and 200. I can just barely close the 150. But I also have not tried because I got my wisdom teeth out, and the dentist said that I can't do anything that strains in any way because it has a high likelihood of popping out the clot plugs, and I don't. I already have enough tooth pain. I don't want more. 150 lubs. Yeah. Rex says, just poking around, talks and why it's failing my 312 build. Yeah, that seems something worth doing. Unit test. Need this thing. Python unit test discover pyflakes. Bloop. Oh, it'd be great if I knew how to make syntax. Yep, I know how to write code. It's me. Okay, so from what I understand, I need to introduce a scope for these. Add all of these variables as variables. And then the chunk inside, the value, this actually needs to get deferred parsing. Yeah. The sentiest dentist? Yeah. 1.5 is 165 lubs. Ooh. Ooh, nice. But yeah, I have not been playing with the groupers because I don't want to also getting my wisdom teeth out has been fucking terrible in like the pain and not being able to do things, and like dentist said no spicy, no crunchy, no sucking through straws, no exercise, nothing that strains anything. And what the fuck else am I supposed to do? Just eat pudding all day? Yeah, no sucking. I'm not allowed to suck. It's awful. Were they giving you trouble? No, but I was. My dumbass was like, well, I'm already at the dentist, and I've heard that it's a good thing to get your wisdom teeth out so it doesn't crowd your mouth. They were all in. They were all fine. They weren't bothering me. But I've heard it's a good thing to get them out. So I was like, well, okay, let's get them out. And they're like, okay, we'll remove them. Because, I mean, they make a bunch of money. And it's been a miserable week and a half. Essentially just sleep. Yeah, watching birds. Essentially just sleep. I've basically been playing video games, eating ice cream and pudding and yogurt and tomato bisque, and trying not to think about life. Basically living a bland life. Says nope, I am not here. Yeah. Yeah. Well, given my favorite flavor is crunch, and I really like spicy food, not being able to do either of those sucks. And not being able to exercise also sucks. Nothing that raises the blood pressure was literally the words that the dentist said. So, yeah. Which has sucked. I heard that you get them out if they start giving you trouble. Yeah, this was just like preemptively doing it so that it wasn't a problem. Big Jake says I need to go back to the dentist. Haven't been since before COVID, and have since moved. Finding new healthcare providers is stressful, and I just don't. Yeah, no, same. That was my problem too. I had not been to the dentist in a very fucking long time. And I went to the dentist, and they're like, "When was the last time you've been to a dentist? Because your teeth are fucked." And I'm like, I don't remember. That's how long it's been. I know it was before the pandemic, but I don't remember. And they were like, okay, well, we'll just flick your teeth up and then you'll be good to go. But do better next time. And I'm like, I'll be back in 6 months. That's much better than however many fucking years it's been since I've been to the dentist. Also, yes, I keep saying dentist, and it's because when I went to put the calendar event in on my work calendar, I typoed dentist as dentist. And then I was like, that's funny. I'm just going to keep it and call it dentist forever. And so that's why it's dentist now. But yeah. Being masochistic for a second feels literally feels bad. Yeah. Fucking sucks. Can you lick a jalapeno? I physically can. Should I? No. Jalapenos aren't that spicy though. And yet you're coding, yeah, and talking, and yeah. Not a lot to read issues in your open source projects? Yeah, exactly. Tiny Small 69, hello. Good to see you again. Add a small amount of garlic and onion to this mac and cheese, along with more salt and pepper, and it's way tastier. Yeah. Yo. Okay, so my degenerate mac and cheese. Start with Kraft box mac and cheese or any sort of box mac and cheese. Add a bunch of sriracha and a scoop of peanut butter. It sounds terrible, but it is fucking delicious. College me discovered that one. Fix Jake says, might be me. I also have never had any cavities, so very well may have one. Yeah, I had to get my first fillings because I had not been to the dentist in a very long time. Do they ask if you grind your teeth? They always do that to me, and I'm like, I don't fucking know, not intentionally. They did ask me that, and I don't think I grind my teeth. None of my partners have ever told me that I grind my teeth in the night. I have dated people that grind their teeth. But I don't believe I grind my teeth. But if you preemptively remove all your teeth, you're ahead of the game, yeah. Dentier, dentist. Yeah, it's the Pokemon evolution. Mustache says, I'm thinking to read data-oriented programming book. Any suggestions? Oh, I don't know how to read. Also, I've noticed I can't see far away as well as I should, so I need to get new glasses. Oh, you gotta go through all the loops. Yeah, basically when I moved from California, I was like, I'm going to be proactive and set up a doctor and a dentist and get that shit over with. And I set up a doctor's appointment, and I was like, that's enough adulting for a few months. I'm gonna not do the rest of it. But, yeah. I had a piece of paper on my desk that was like, you need to set up a dentist appointment. And I finally was like, okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it finally. Yeah. Can't have blood pressure raised, works on open source, right? Haven't tried sriracha despite how popular it is. It's pretty good. The peanut butter is kind of criminal. Try it, Pandoxer. It's fucking good. Kevin says, I had a minor sight issue back in 2012, like negative 0.5. Got glasses for driving. Did a new checkup last year and my eyesight had improved. Now close to flawless. Nice. Yeah, that can happen. That can happen. D-Dalspus here. Hello, hello. The other server says, I love having mac and cheese when I was camping. You just had to add hot water. It's like 4K calories. Yeah, no, it's real good. Boxed mac and cheese is also surprisingly nutritional. Like the protein to fat ratio is not that bad. For something that feels like it should be garbage. But it's actually not that bad. Marsha says, speaking of Pokemon, I've been watching some Digimon videos. What? For all the monsters' name ended Mon? Yeah. Yeah. It's a little weird. Songfish says, I thought I'd been putting off my wisdom teeth too long at 28. I guess that's just the dentist trying to fearmonger me. Yeah. Well, admittedly, I was first recommended to remove my wisdom teeth when I was 18. So I've been putting it off for a while. But peanut butter is added to a lot of East Asian dishes. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, the mac and cheese kind of becomes like a Thai peanut sauce. Sort of. But I was recommended to remove mine when they cracked open? Holy fuck. Did I have any issues? I didn't. They were coming in straight for the most part. But yeah. Put them off for 2 decades? I'm not 38 yet. But I did put them off for quite a while. Okay, so I gotta figure out how this shit works. Where is the scope pushing thing? Try classes sort of do one within scope. Ooh. Class scope? I represent a name scope for a function. Generator scope, module scope, doc test scope. Oh. Wait, what did DDoS get bonked for? Oh. Yeah. Eating this Kashi Gullion cereal, whatever, is too hard for my wisdom teeth? Oh. Oh, the cereal literally fucking cracked your teeth? That's crazy. D-Kick says, how do I get into open source? Thank you, the Endless River. And Kevin. Doc test scope, module scope. Why is this out of order? Kind of bothers me that this is out of order. Oh, just subclasses dict? Gross. Class scope, function scope, generator scope. Type scope. A new scope type. With self.in scope, type scope. What do we need to do? We need to define. Oh. Wait a minute. This needs to perform an assignment outside of the new scope. So we need to do handle node store node.name, I think. Binary Sensei, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It's Oik. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing today? My name is Anthony. Oh, that didn't tab delete. There we go. Hey, welcome, welcome. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. I maintain some things you may have heard of, such as Precommit, PyTest, Flake8, pyflakes, Dead Snakes, PyUpgrade, Babby, all repos, and like 50 other projects. Today we are working on pyflakes, which is a linter for Python code, and we're specifically adding Python 3.12 support, which adds 2 new functiony thingies, type aliases, which are a little annoying, and generics. So in Python 3.12, you can write type A. You can write shit like this. This is a type alias. You can also write functions which have the generics genericized directly inside of them. And so we have to make pyflakes understand both of these. Yep, that's what's going on today. Nice that you need a class just to call dir. Yeah. Yeah. Because that's readable. I feel like this new syntax was a little unnecessary. But I don't get to make the decisions, so that's the way things go. Alright, so we need to make a new scope. We need to for param in node.type params. We need to, I don't think this is gonna work. Handle node store ram. And then we need to handle an annotation. S node. Node.value node? I don't know what this is. Annotation. It's a string, defer it. Yeah, so we actually do need to force defer this, but this should be good enough for now. This should pass our tests, I think, so far. So just doing the minimum to make the test pass. Name has no attribute. Pyflakes parent. Get node name. Get parent. Why? 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 Oh, did the get actions finish? Maybe, maybe. Nope, still yellow. Although one of them's green, so it's probably gonna pass. My new favorite website is framed.wtf. Framed.wtf. Oh, for guessing movies? I don't watch enough movies to know this. Star Wars. Also Star Wars. Also Star Wars. No, I fucking know. I have played this game before, but I'm really mad at it. Kishimina. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. What are we working on today? There you go. Okay, so how does this actually work? Add binding. Add binding. Yeah, this is real weird. Why doesn't it have a parent? Name object has no pyflakes parent. Is this a thing? No. We'll just run it with PyTest. Brrr. AST pretty pprint node. Oh, it is a name. Interesting. Today's was easy. It's Star Wars as you guess. Oh, wait, I was right. But why does it let me pick Star Wars as a movie when that's not actually the movie? Marge says, my little sister went to a pride parade with a friend today. But here's hoping no crazy Nazi fucking shoots up the place. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god! What? What is this? What is this? What is this? What have you done, Kevin? Sanity OG, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ah, Twitch brought back super chats again? Great. What did the bot do for that? Did it see it? No? Huh. Weird? Anyway, thank you for the super chat. Yeah. Wait, does it pin it at the top? Wait, somebody post one more message. One more message, chat. Serenity OG says, one question, do you still use a VM for programming? I do. Wait, it's gone now. I do use a VM. Haha! It's miserably hot in my house. I'm gonna have to call the mans. I'm not feeling this message so well, criminals. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Don't click on it. It's expandable like super chats. Oh, so I can click on. Oh, cool. Is the AC borked? The AC is not working so well. I don't know what it is. Oh, look! Our prediction is satisfied. We'll just fix the build. Oh boy. Someone's about to get who said yes? Clasher Caston's about to get a bunch of points. Whose outcome? Yes. Hooray! Let's not get emailed today. Cool. The hash ends in bad? Wait, where's the hash? Gas leak? Nah. What is the prediction? Is it the very earlier part? Okay, so why doesn't pyflakes parent get set? Why does this work fine? Oh, because... Annoying. Can you get on my VPN so I can start feeding my gambling addiction? Yeah. Okay, how the fuck is this supposed to work? How does this work either? Add binding built in. Node is the statement responsible for the change. Value is the new value, a binding instance. Okay. I think we can just call add binding directly. Binding. Definition built in. Importation. Submodule importation. Import from. Star import. Future import. Arugament. Assignment? Annotation. Function definition. I feel like I should add one that's similar to assignment. It's similar to parameter more like. This should really be called parameter, not argument, but type variable binding. And binding node name, and then type var type variable, which needs name and source. Node.name node. Name dot id node.name. Mm-hmm. 2168. Free feed pics for his Watson. What? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Belwada says, how's the tooth? I got 4 of them taken out. They're not great, but they are alright. Fuck, why does this need parent also? Why is this not set? Huh. Very strange. Ready XD, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, you know what? I probably can just do... I could probably just do this and not do anything special. I might need this still. It just defaults to assignments, which is probably fine. Handle node missing parent. Do I just want to handle children? Nope, I'm not here says bot. Which one? Tooths are dead now? Yeah. Fuck. Oh. So we need to... I think we just need to do this. And that should error. It should error about... It should error here. Because we don't have a type for that. Type var. Yeah, why no error? It should raise an error. Instead of getting far enough to be angry about this. I forget how this thing works. Those tooths are dead now? Yeah. Recursion test has it work? At what point do you say it'll take that solution, I sort of understand it, versus I'll give it more time to come with it and fully understand it? I don't know. I feel like you just kind of go with your gut after a while. I don't have any specific advice there. So what it says, I got my braces removed yesterday. Nice, nice. Some kind of late puberty. Nice. Greg says, Virtual was downloading a pip that it wasn't what I expected. Oh yeah, upgrade Virtual Env is usually my first guess if things are broken. Yeah, it's weird. Why didn't it assign this? Iram, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, I see. That is why we need to do handle node. Make it do the thing. Recursion error. The other way around. Ah, there we go. That's what I wanted to get to. Brick says, I don't even use virtualenv. That's what I get for assuming I would just pip install the latest. But if you're using Tox, you're using virtualenv. Oh, you are actually using virtualenv. Aha! Okay, type var. This should be So it should add a name. I think the bound is also handled lazily. You got called out? I mean... Why are we breakpoint here? Yo, let's fucking go, baby! We have a passing test! Hooray! God damn. Now I need to make failing tests. What? How did this work? There we go. That's what we want to see. Totally fair. Just set up these tools and only revisit them once a release cycle when things change. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. Lynch! Thank you for the resub at 22 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Brick PR, thank you for the follow as well. Welcome, welcome. Defer function. Yeah, I think this is what I want to do. Yeah. Acid Zora, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Oh. Annotations future enabled. Def. Yeah. Interesting. I think this is what I want. This should be node.value. Cool. This is real complicated. Ooh, 1, 3, 2, 3. This should be parents. Okay. Let me reread a little bit of PEP 695. Must be concrete. Okay. I'm curious what this does. Seems to work. So that tells me that this is forward annotated. So let's oh, that should fail the tests. Hooray. Oops. Oh, this should be sick. Okay, cool. That's half of this. Oh, the other half of this is gonna suck. Because we have to introduce new scopes for classes and functions. Oh, what is this AST node scope thing? I'm gonna need to add to this. Oh, you can pass in trees of other things? Yeah, we're not just... Get scope node. That just seems lazy. That just seems lazy. Okay, anyway. So lambda is different than function dev. Oh, fuck. Well, this is gonna be really annoying. Here, let's start with tests. Hello, hello. Welcome. Good to see you again. AJG, thank you for the follow. Or welcome to the stream. I can read. That's how that works. Okay. Test new generics. That's a bad name. What is this? What do they call this? What is even the title of this PEP? Type parameters. Test type parameters syntax. Test type parameters. start with a simple one. Ooh, easy ones. All right. Hmm. Lamau? Oh, this one, right. Indeed. Interesting. So it notices this assignment, but it notices it too late. Paper Benny, welcome, welcome. How you doing? So we should have type parameters, because they happen at the end, which is annoying. I assume you cannot have type parameters in a lambda, so we don't have to worry about that. This should omit type params. It got called type. Okay, so that should reduce the number of errors slightly. It looks like this can be a tuple. Do the decorators get handled first? Decorators. Type parameters are not accessible outside the class, including decorators. Okay, so it's after decorators. Gonna go exercise. Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, Marsha. Always good to see you. I wonder if a class can be self-referential. I don't know. That's not how this works. With context_lib.exit stack as ctx. If sys.version info is greater than or equal to 312, then we need to handle the type params. ctx.enter context. Self.inScope type scope. And then I wonder if this is none. Please be empty list. Nice. Empty list. That's what we want to see. Look. Or param in node.type params. Is it really that easy? Sontent, hello, welcome, welcome. Kelvin Shadewing, welcome to the stream. That's a cool emote. Oh, it's your emote. Nice. Oh shit, it passes. Let's go, baby. It still passes. Let's go. Okay, cool. We just have to do class. Oh, damn. That is wild. Oh, does this assign it to the wrong scope? This should be an error here. Fuck. Fuck. Well, that's not good. Why does it assign it to the outer scope? That seems not right. Balls. No. How have I been? I'm doing alright. Why is there an extra new line here? Ah. Why is this scope still active? Why did it not get popped? VS Code had a spectator mode. Just read only. They do have that. I think that's built in. You can like share a link to VS Code. People can access it. So why didn't this get popped? Why is it running an annotation here? Line 10? You know, this is confusing. We're going to do this instead. That's working fine. So what the fuck? What the fuck is going on? So why is this working? What? Why? What the hell is going on? It should error. I'm losing my mind. Why does it error now? Why did I... That's a different test. What? Oh, because there's an intermediate scope now, maybe? Name one syntax style line that drives you mad when you come across it in other code bases. Mix-ins. Hmm. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Oh, you know what? I know what's happening. This needs to be outside of this scope. Okay, that fixes one of them, but doesn't explain why this one is not fixed. Gallantry X, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Drindy, welcome to the stream. Detect class scoped magic. Oh god. Detect class scoped magic.names. How do you ever possibly get assigned to? Oh, it's global, so it's not the same. This is very weird. You committed my fall. I need you to push. Yeah. 85 Filter, hello. How you doing? This is very weird. It's somehow due to my new scope, I think. Like, this should make the new test fail. Yeah. But it makes the other one pass. So some reason. Yeah, we do eventually get to the class scope here. So why is it having trouble with this? Read none, yeah. The error, ignore it. Scope is a class scope. Huh, so why does in generators get set to false? Only generators used in class scope can access the names of the class. This is skipped during the first iteration. Oh. There's also a type scope. That is the problem. So this can probably get renamed. Can access class vars equals none. Uh, Kevin says, need to run? Movie time with Jenny. Sounds good, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. What did I call it? Let's go. Why is not false instead of if? Hooray! Littergut says, new viewer here, using the built-in PopOS tiling window manager. Nope, I'm using my own custom window manager. Smile. Hooray, the test pass. I feel like this is going to be more difficult. Oh, we didn't do classes. I'm speaking too quickly. Lofky, thank you for the resub at 5 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Test. Test type parameters classes. Interesting. Can you access the type names in the body? Beyond annotations? I guess just fucking try it, right? Right? T. I guess you can. Eldathis, thank you for the resub at 31 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Or in Frenchland. Yeah, that's to be expected. Class def. So, we need to do... the same doodad here. But right here. And then you need to be indented. Hooray! Mech M5, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This did not get used, which is fine. I wonder if this is reusable. Well, that's says I'm doing good. Hope you are as well. I'm on vacation. My Wi-Fi is trash. You can finally prime sub through the Twitch app. It only took like 5 fucking years. That's wild. Yeah, this is the same context here. Oh, but this is different. This context is the same. I'll maybe make a little function for that. With self-type param scope. Oh, we need to pass in our node. 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 Sweet. If you say what OS are you on, then it should tell you. Still can't regular sub though? Oh, you don't have Google services. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Wait, why is this still here? Aw, fuck. Because we didn't actually change anything. Damn it. Oops. What I get for doing multiple files at the same time? I was all happy that it was working. Hooray! We also have to do the F strings syntax stuff too. But I don't think that there's anything concerning in that. Um, yeah, this seems pretty straightforward. BWTP, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. I should probably add another test here. Or oh shit. And then I should add this test, but for classes too. Cool. I'm pretty sure talk still fails because it tries to run like 8. Which needs to be updated. For our latest Flake 8, latest bytecode style. Yeah, this is gonna well, the test will pass though. See if this succeeds. It will not succeed because of reasons. Oh, this is really annoying. Very annoying. Yeah. Oh, I made a way to do this. I think that works in Tox 4. Alright, let's throw it at CI and see what CI has to say about it. The patch is pretty straightforward. Romani Jr., thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Or is it Hunyor? Hi, Junior. Oh boy. Why did it run with Tox? Oh, because it's Deshi Pie. Shit. That's annoying. Daniel Baka, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Jake ZXCV, welcome to the stream. Shit. Tox automatic factors. Yeah, the problem is it's not actually using environment 312. It's using -e pi, so it's defaulting. So I'm wondering if Tox has some other magic. Like, I wonder if I can do not Python 3.12. I don't think it's going to work, but try it nonetheless. Yeah, it does not work. Oh, damn. Damn. Well, we can just make a separate toxin for it. It's easy enough. Oh, but we can't because it's still not using -e. Damn. What am I gonna do here? Not run the tests? Lol. Yeah, that's not what I want. I can make a separate script. It's not gonna help either. We just won't include it in CI. Uh, or we'll just hack the shit out of this. Hopefully that will work, right? I break the action syntax? Probably. It looks fine. Just slow. Where's the squiggles? Should run them, maybe? The fuck? Oh. Get push dash F? Yeah, making amends. You have to. The history writing. Tidy commits. Hooray, it's running now. Right? Yeah. Oh, beta 3 came out? Have I updated for beta 3? I have not. Okay. See if there's anything that I need to do manually. But I'm gonna fill my water real quick. Totally, welcome to the stream. The bot told you what's up. But yeah, I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, we're back. All right, so see if I did any manual changes here. Focal hastily at origin. This was May 17th. Was the last manual change. That was June 6th. Okay, so this should be automatic. As we can see the bloodbath from before. So 3.12.0 beta 3. Theory should work. Oh, sweet. CI is passing here. Bots 1, welcome to the stream. Hepta 5, good to see you again. Playgate 3.12. Oh, god damn it. Point 1. When are the Anthony Writes Code crop tops coming? Need it for our next on-site interview. Oh no. I don't know. Need to do merch stuff at some point. This is actually pretty convenient. I think also this will flag unused type variables, which is kind of nice. Didn't write a test for that, but yeah, this is interesting because the name is available before this. Although I think I could do these in the opposite order and it would still work. Boom. Hey, do you see branded real live snakes? Yeah. Let me quickly selectively breed Anthony Writes Code and the hello hello on the back of a snake. Don't know that that would work. That's all I really wanted to do today. Oh, we might just wrap up here. Woosa! Hello, hello, how you doing? They could just wear hello, hello sweaters. Snack with sweater. Snack with hat. RBLT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry I missed that. I was getting a drink. I'm gonna leave this open, let Ian review it, even though I don't know if Ian will bother reviewing it, but Ultra Bebexy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Woosa says doing well. How about you? I'm doing alright, although my mouth is kind of hurting from talking so much. And since I got the things I wanted to get done, I'm probably gonna wrap up stream here. A little bit of a short one, sorry about that, but yeah, I also have stuff to do, and my face hurts, so it seems like a good enough reason to end. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. It's been a while since my mouth, I haven't been able to talk, so expect a new video this week, though. I'm hopefully going to be recording one. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch those on the second channel, which is where I upload my VODs. Can't upload them to Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans due to my copyright free music. Pain in my ass, but whatever. I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in, well, I don't know if I'm going to do it on Twitter anymore. But I definitely announce them on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. Boof! Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. That's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.